Today, October 17, 2025, days before the October 22, 2025 anniversary or the feast of Saint Pope John Paul II, the Interfaith Pope. I am here before the Jubilee Cross. Our Lady of Fatima, bless me in all the missions that you want me to do. Bless me, oh Sacred Heart, your burning love. Fill our hearts with your love. Your mission for me for 2025-2026 will be fulfilled by God's merciful love. Amen.